Henan, China. Relentless downpours have turned towns and fields into vast pools of water, overwhelming rivers, and bursting drainage systems. Streets became torrents, neighborhoods disappeared under muddy waves, and vehicles were left stranded in places once filled with daily life. Roads and bridges across the province suffered heavily. Highways crumbled, smaller roads were washed away, and key transport links were severed. Train services stalled as tracks vanished under mud and debris, choking supply chains and disrupting the flow of goods across the region. Power grids faltered as water surged into substations, leaving entire districts in darkness. Mobile networks cut out, isolating communities, while flooded treatment plants tainted water supplies. Emergency crews rushed to restore these lifelines, but the outages dragged on for days. Farmers watched as fields disappeared beneath floodwaters. Crops withered, seedlings rotted, and topsoil was stripped away. Storage barns and machinery were ruined, irrigation systems collapsed, and hopes for the season's harvest washed away almost overnight. Homes and shops stood gutted once the water receded. Furniture and stock lay in heaps of ruin, while damp walls and broken wiring left buildings unsafe. Schools and clinics, too, were hit, forcing temporary closures as officials assessed the damage. The floods exposed deep vulnerabilities. Rapid urban growth, paved surfaces, and aging drains worsened the deluge in cities, while hillsides outside towns unleashed landslides. Experts now push for sponge city upgrades, permeable pavements, green zones, and stronger embankments to better handle storms. The cost is enormous. Rebuilding roads, bridges, utilities, and farmland demands billions in repair and fresh investment. Relief funds are flowing to farmers, local industries, and hard-hit communities. But restoring Henan's rhythm will take months, if not longer. Officials stress the need for resilience, stronger infrastructure, smarter planning, and better warning systems. Nature-based solutions, stricter building rules, and community-level preparation are being championed to limit future destruction as extreme weather grows ever more punishing. Already, the cleanup across Henan has revealed the staggering scope of destruction. Mountains of debris line the streets, from broken furniture to collapsed shop fronts. Heavy machinery works day and night to clear mud and restore access, while residents return slowly to sift through what remains of their homes. In rural areas, the scars run deeper. Villages near rivers saw entire sections carved away, with irrigation ditches filled by silt and small dams breached. Fields once green with crops are now patches of cracked earth or pools of stagnant water, leaving communities anxious about food supplies and income. Transport remains fragile, even as emergency crews push forward. Temporary roads are being carved to reconnect cut-off towns, but the damage to bridges and tunnels has left critical bottlenecks. Freight trucks queue for hours, while passenger buses reroute through long detours. Each repair uncovers hidden structural weaknesses, demanding more resources. Utilities are also in slow recovery. Power has returned to many districts, yet outages persist where equipment must be rebuilt rather than repaired. Water pipelines, clogged with mud and debris, still struggle to deliver safe supplies. In some towns, bottled water distribution continues as a daily necessity. Still, the floods have sparked a wider debate on preparedness. Specialists argue Henan must accelerate climate-resilient projects, expanding wetlands to absorb rain, enforcing stricter zoning laws, and adopting early warning technologies. These steps, they say, are no longer optional, but essential for survival in a changing climate. Thanks for watching Severe Weather, where we break down the facts behind nature's most intense moments. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel going. Hit the bell so you never miss a real, calm, and clear report. Note, some footage in this video may be used for illustration and may not show the exact event described. See you in the next one. Stay informed, stay safe.